Need to share your Rogers cellular data with other devices? This section will guide you through turning your Android phone into a mobile hotspot. First, open the Settings app on your Android device. Next, tap on Connections or Network and Internet. The exact wording might vary slightly depending on your Android version and device manufacturer, like Samsung or Google Pixel. Look for Mobile Hotspot and Tethering, and then select Mobile Hotspot. Finally, toggle the Mobile Hotspot switch to the On position. You will see a Wi-Fi network name, SSID, and password. Other devices can now connect to this Wi-Fi network using that info. Remember to monitor your data usage through the My Rogers app to avoid overage charges, as hotspot data counts towards your Rogers plan's allowance. Now that your hotspot is active, let's configure it for optimal security and performance. To change the network name, or SSID, or password, tap on the Mobile Hotspot settings. Rogers recommends a strong password of at least 8 characters with symbols for security. Use WPA3 encryption if available on your device for enhanced protection. You can also set a data limit to automatically turn off the hotspot when a certain amount of data has been used. Find this option in the advanced settings. For troubleshooting, ensure that airplane mode is off, mobile data is enabled, and you're in an area with good Rogers coverage. Consider using features such as MAC address filtering for enhanced security. This allows only specific devices to connect to your hotspot. Keep your Android OS updated to benefit from the latest security protocols and performance improvements.